Nestled in Catalonia's scenic landscape, Girona is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends the allure of antiquity with contemporary charm. Celebrated for its historical importance and architectural wonders, the city's cobblestone pathways and medieval fortifications resonate with tales of yore, captivating travelers at every turn. Girona's crowning jewel is its magnificent cathedral, which dominates the skyline with its grand spires and intricate facades. Additionally, aficionados of the widely acclaimed television series Game of Thrones will instantly recognize the city as the backdrop for some of its most memorable scenes. Enthusiasts of the show will relish the opportunity to immerse themselves in these iconic settings. Here are the top 7 best activities to experience in Girona, Spain. Number 7. Girona Cathedral, also referred to as the Cathedral of St. Mary of Girona, stands as a prominent feature on the city's skyline. This remarkable Roman Catholic cathedral, constructed over the span of the 11th to 18th centuries, showcases a harmonious fusion of diverse architectural styles, incorporating elements of Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque design. Highlighted by a splendid nave, intricate chapels, and a majestic Baroque facade that captures the eye, the cathedral is further accentuated by graceful fountains flanking its iconic broad staircase, imparting a sense of grandeur to its main entrance. Upon entering, visitors encounter a remarkable array of religious artworks and artifacts, including a breathtaking 11th century tapestry depicting the creation narrative. With its reverential atmosphere and enduring aesthetic allure, the cathedral serves as a place for contemplation and spiritual connection, offering visitors an opportunity to engage with the city's religious heritage and the artistic accomplishments of its bygone eras. Number 6. Onyar River View. The Onar River epitomizes the charm and splendor of the city, serving as a picturesque and iconic watercourse. Winding its way through the heart of Girona's historic district, the river is bordered by rows of vibrant houses boasting colorful facades. These architectural gems, known as cases penjades or hanging houses, contribute to the city's distinctive allure. The view of the Onyar River presents a scene straight out of a postcard, with the reflections of the buildings casting shimmering hues upon the water's surface, creating a mesmerizing visual spectacle. Among the most renowned bridges spanning the river is the Eiffel Bridge, a creation of Gustav Eiffel, offering an exceptional vantage point to marvel at the panorama. Altogether, the amalgamation of the vibrant houses, the serene flow of the river, and the historic bridges forms an enchanting tableau worthy of leisurely appreciation. Number 5. Walk the medieval wall. One of Girona's notable features is its magnificent medieval wall, an architectural marvel steeped in history. Originating from Roman origins and later fortified during the medieval era, this imposing defensive barrier encircles the Old Town, serving as a testament to the city's strategic significance. Embarking on a stroll along the medieval wall provides an opportunity to explore its meticulously preserved segments, adorned with watchtowers, bastions, and fortified entrances, all of which bear witness to Girona's pivotal role throughout the ages. The pathway atop the wall offers breathtaking panoramas of Girona's scenic vistas, showcasing the charming houses lining the Onyar River in vibrant hues, alongside the majestic spires of the Girona Cathedral, rendering a captivating tableau of the city's enchanting landscapes. Number 4. Arab Baths. For those wanting a taste of what the city was like during the medieval era, be sure to pencil in a visit to the Arab Baths. These baths, dating back to the 12th century, are well-preserved remnants of Girona's Moorish influence during Spain's Islamic occupation. They showcase a fascinating blend of Roman and Moorish architectural styles, featuring elegant arches, delicate columns, and intricately designed ceilings. In the past, the baths were an essential part of daily life, serving as a place for hygiene, relaxation, and social gatherings. Venturing through the various chambers, including the warm and hot rooms and the cool water pool, provides insight into the ancient bathing rituals and customs of the time. Number 3. Cinema Museum Girona. For enthusiasts of cinema, a visit to the Cinema Museum Girona is a must. Housed within the remarkable Casa de la Punxa, an iconic structure located in Girona's Old Town, this museum offers a captivating exploration into the world of film. Guiding visitors through an enthralling journey, the museum showcases a diverse collection of artifacts, memorabilia, and interactive displays that chronicle the evolution of cinema from its inception to the present day. Among its treasures are an impressive array of vintage film projectors, cameras, and film posters, offering visitors a comprehensive insight into both the technical and artistic aspects of filmmaking. A particular highlight is the original cinematograph crafted by the Lumiere brothers, a rare artifact that symbolizes the birth of cinema itself. In addition to its permanent exhibits, the Cinema Museum Girona regularly hosts film screenings and special events, creating an engaging and immersive experience for cinephiles of all ages. Whether exploring its collections or attending one of its screenings, a visit to this museum promises to be a memorable and enriching experience for cinema enthusiasts. Number 2. Eiffel Bridge. A trip to Girona's Eiffel Bridge offers a unique opportunity to admire the genius of Gustave Eiffel, the acclaimed engineer renowned for designing the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Officially named the Pont de les Paysâteries Velles, this elegant iron bridge spans the Onyar River, linking the historic Old Town with the newer sections of the city. Constructed in 1877, the Eiffel Bridge stands as a testament to Eiffel's mastery of ironwork and engineering. Its intricate lattice design and graceful arches exude a timeless allure that harmonizes with the medieval architecture surrounding it. Strolling across the bridge affords breathtaking vistas of the vibrant houses adorning the riverbanks, while also offering a superb vantage point for capturing picturesque snapshots of Girona's iconic scenery. Number 1. El Col. While in Girona, make sure to visit the Jewish Quarter, also known as El Col. This meticulously preserved neighborhood stands as one of Europe's finest examples of a well-maintained Jewish quarter. It offers a glimpse into the daily life and traditions of the medieval Jewish population. As you wander through its winding streets, you'll encounter narrow passageways, ancient edifices, and secluded courtyards that echo Girona's rich historical tapestry. The Jewish Quarter boasts prominent landmarks such as the Bonastrucsa Porta Center, a former synagogue transformed into the Museum of Jewish History. Exploring this historic enclave provides a captivating insight into the intermingling of Jewish and Christian cultures during the Middle Ages. It serves as a poignant reminder of the enduring legacy and resilience of Girona's Jewish community, evoking feelings of admiration and reverence.